Hello, my name is Matthew, and I run Purpp's laboratory, and today I will be showing you an update of all of my aquariums. Let's get it. So this right here is my 5-gallon saltwater nano tank. We'll go from left to right. This green bunch of plants is some random macroalgae that I got from the local fish store. You can see closely, there's one of my hermit crabs, red legs. He just recently molted, and let me see if I could show you some of his claws or anything. They were in this little crevice. I just moved the rocks because I thought he died. So yeah, you can see some of his arms and legs, those orange bits within the rocks. That is red macroalgae right there. And there are 2 more inhabitants in this tank. One of them is this blue-legged hermit crab. And there's a sea slug or snail somewhere in this aquarium. Very simple, very just, I'm letting this tank cycle, that way I can get another, or so that way I can put a fish in here. We'll see what type of fish we put in here. I was planning on getting like a goby or, a goby or something like that. Maybe a mushroom coral as well. I saw it at the fish store and that looked like a cool combination, so yeah, we'll move on to the next tank. So this aquarium right here is my 20-gallon planted freshwater tank that has all my shrimps. There's a whole blue velvet shrimp colony in here, and I added some other shrimps. They have mutated and bred a lot, so there are a lot of different varieties. There's a clear one. There is one with a yellow stripe down its back. That one's pretty cool, has a greenish tint to it. These plants have grown very well. There's a lot of random snails everywhere. I recently trimmed these grass plants. I think it's called rotala or something. There's one of the blue velvet shrimps. It's beautiful, deep dark blue color. Matches the fish that's living in this tank. So yeah, let's go look at the fish. This right here is my blue male betta fish. Yeah, hello. How are you? He's just curious as to what I'm doing. He likes chilling in these plants. It's like his hammock. Very chill fish. Yeah, I just have a sponge filter on here. That way the baby shrimp don't get killed by the propeller. And it's my 20-gallon. This right here is my 10-gallon betta fish tank. This is my female betta, like koi fish colored. She has iridescent stripes or like scales. Bunch of random plants, under gravel filter. Yeah, some white gravel and wood. She enjoys this tank. She eats a lot. That's why she's fat. This right here is my 38-gallon planted tank, growing a bunch of orchids. These are thriving in here from the nutrients that are in the water. These just bloomed about like a month ago, so it's still very vibrant. Yeah, the orchids love the water. A lot of nutrients in here. As you can see, the roots have grown further into this tank. Here's my inhabitant of this tank, my Fahaka puffer. He's getting huge. I'm gonna have to get another fish tank for him sometime soon. Y'all will see that in the future. This is my red lotus plant. It started out really small, like about this big, and then it just grew huge in size. My puffer was sitting or sleeping, resting on this leaf earlier. It's like his hammock or his bed. As you can see, the leaves have grown all the way to the surface. This is the Java plant. It's gotten huge. Started out small, and there's just so much nutrients in this water. There's a lot of algae, as you can see. I can't put any shrimp in here or any other fish because my Fahaka will eat anything that's alive in here. So, yep, just gotta do water changes and manual cleaning. That's his little cave that he likes to sleep in sometimes. And yeah, there you go.